How to install 5-light LNC simple wooden chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust arms to their proper positions. Slip orderly the lower post, upper post and loop along wires. Then thread onto the fixture body until tight. Attach the finial to the bottom end of the fixture body, turning the finial until tight. Attach a quick link to the chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.